Motley Fool Stock Advisor Review 2024. Is Motley Fool Stock Advisor worth it? Most people get stock advisory services wrong by assuming they're just tips. Motley Fool Stock Advisor in 2024 provides research, stock recommendations and portfolio guidance, but is it worth the subscription? Stock Advisor offers 2 new stock picks each month backed by in-depth research, historical performance data and long-term growth strategies. The surprising truth is consistency. You won't believe what happens next when many subscribers see substantial gains over years, outperforming the S&P 500 in multiple tracking studies. Another advantage is education. Most people get this wrong by thinking the service only provides picks. Motley Fool offers tutorials, webinars and community discussions to help investors understand why certain stocks are chosen and how to manage risk. However, cons exist. The subscription fee is per year, which may not appeal to casual investors. Not all stock picks perform well, and there is always market risk. No service guarantees profits. In conclusion, Motley Fool Stock Advisor is ideal for investors looking to learn, diversify, and follow research stock recommendations in 2024. If you're willing to invest long-term and absorb some risk, it's a trustworthy resource that can complement your portfolio and enhance financial literacy.